You have to solve some assignment problems for your internal assessment. These assignment problems you have to solve on assignment paper, as you are going to get 10 marks for it. First sum is based on practice set 1.4, where we have to use theorem of areas of similar triangles. Second sum is based on basic proportionality theorem. Third sum is based on the properties of three parallel lines and their transversal. Fourth sum is based on the ratio of areas of two triangles. And fifth sum is based on the test of similarity. Let's see the first practical of geometry. This practical is very important as it carries 10 marks for your internal assessment. This practical you have to do on assignment sheets. Okay. Now let's see what you have to do. You have to verify the relation between the areas of two similar triangles with the square of the corresponding medians of those two triangles. The material requires cardboard, scale, pencil, eraser, ruler and pair of scissors. Now if you don't have cardboard, you can use a white color paper also. And what you have to do for this practical? First you will draw the two similar triangles, triangle ABC and triangle PQR. Now the lengths of base and height of these two triangles is given here. Accordingly you will draw the triangle and then you will cut those triangles and you will stick on the assignment papers where you are writing this practical. Okay. After that you have to, first you will write the aim, then material required and then you will draw the figure. Okay. Then you have to write the observation table. Now this table as such you have to copy on the assignment sheet. Now in the first column you have to write the table 1, students activity. Then here base and height of triangle ABC is given. Accordingly you will find out the area of triangle ABC by using the formula half into base into height. Similarly you will find the area of triangle PQR. Same formula you will use, half into base into height. Now this area of triangle ABC is your A1 and area of triangle PQR will be A2. In the last column you will find the ratio of these two areas. So A1 upon A2. So whatever answer you will get, you will write in this box. Okay. After that you will draw the medians of, again you will draw these two similar triangles. Same names you will write, triangle ABC and triangle PQR, and you will draw the medians of these two triangles. Now the lengths of medians of these two triangles I have given here in the second observation table. So here medians of triangle ABC, length of AO is given 4.5, length of BM is given 5.8 and length of CN is given 3.8. Similarly, the medians of triangle PQ are also given here. PT is given as 9, QS is 11.6 and RX is 7.6. Now this AO corresponds to PT, this BM corresponds to QS and CN corresponds to RX. Then in the next column you have to find the ratio of the square of the corresponding medians. So you will find AO square upon PT square. In the next column you will find BM square upon QS square and here you will find CN square upon RX square. So whatever answer you are getting here, that you will write here. After this you will write the conclusion. Here with the reference to the above observations, you will write is A1 upon A2 is equal to M1 square upon M2 square. If your answer is yes, you will write here yes. If you don't get the equal ratios, you will write here no. Then you have to write the conclusion in this form. Thus the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of the squares of the corresponding medians. Okay. Now if you don't get the ratio equal, you will write it is not equal to. Okay, I hope you all are understanding this. So whatever practice sums are given in the beginning of this video, you have to write in the notebook. Then assignment questions you have to write on the assignment sheet, and this practical is also you have to write on the assignment sheet.